guys, welcome to Inspired to DIY. It's so great to have you here. In today's video, I'd like to share a really quick and simple yet beautiful transformation of an old mirror. Stay tuned for the end result and let's get into it. I'll be using a 24x18 mirror, and to begin I'll go ahead and use diamond wrap and glue them all around the border of the mirror. I'll be using fixal adhesive to make sure that the diamond wrap stays on the mirror. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. If you're here for the first time, go ahead, subscribe to the channel and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any of my next DIYs. And next, I'll be using those mini silver party spoons that I got from Dollar Tree, and to use them, I'll be snapping off the handle of them just like so. The part that I'll be using right now will be the little oval sections. I'll go ahead and start gluing them all around the border on the diamond wrap. I've already used one bag of 24 of these mini spoons, so I'll go ahead and start with a second bag. And this is what it looks like when it's all finished. It's so beautiful. And for each corner of the mirror, I'll go ahead and use the handle of the spoons and glue 3 of them at a time. I also decided to create a vase that matches the mirror, and to do so I'm using this really tall cylinder and also a bag of the mini silver spoons. I then started gluing the oval parts to the bottom of my vase. I then added diamond wrap to the top of the vase. I then noticed that the bottom part was looking a little plain for my taste, so I went on and added 2 additional rows of the mini silver spoons. I then also decided to add some at the top on the diamond wrap. This is what the vase turned out to be. I really love it. I like how shiny it is. And for the bottom part, I'll be using one of those mini party silver bowls. Overall, this turned out so elegant. I hope you guys do have the same opinion. If so, go ahead, leave me a comment down below. It can be used as a flower holder and also a candle holder. To hide the stems of the flowers, I simply added on the inside a glitter foam sheet. This is what it looks like with a LED candle. I hope you guys did enjoy those two projects. If so, go ahead, give this video a big thumbs up, and also if you have not subscribed to the channel, go ahead, do so. Turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any of my next DIYs. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.